If Chrome keeps bringing up Google Lens and you want to turn it off, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable Google Lens in Chrome on Android using a hidden Chrome flag. This is a simple fix, and once you finish, Chrome will stop showing that Lens Overlay entry point in the address bar. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. Once Chrome is open, tap the address bar at the top. This is where we're going to access Chrome's experimental settings page. Type chrome://flags into the address bar exactly as shown, then hit enter. This will take you to the Chrome flags page, where Google keeps a lot of advanced browser features and hidden options. Now that you're on the flags page, use the search box at the top and type Lens. This will filter the results so you can quickly find the setting we need. Look carefully for the flag labeled Lens Overlay Omnibox Entrypoint, and you should also see the identifier #Lens-Overlay-Omnibox-Entrypoint. This is the option that controls the Lens shortcut in Chrome's address bar area. Next, tap the drop-down menu next to that flag. It will probably be set to default. When you open the menu, select Disabled from the list. This tells Chrome not to show the Lens Overlay entry point anymore. Make sure you choose Disabled and not another option so the change actually takes effect. After that, Chrome will prompt you with a blue Relaunch button at the bottom right of the screen. Tap Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the new setting. Chrome needs to restart so it can load the updated flag configuration. Once it opens again, the Google Lens feature should be disabled in the browser interface. And that's it. You've now disabled Google Lens in Chrome on Android. If this tutorial saved you time or helped clean up your browser, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.